Okay, friends, welcome. We will discuss this question. It's a really horrible question. It's a really horrible question, and you can see where it has been asked earlier. This IMO is not your school IMO. It is a really international maths Olympiad. INMO is Indian National Maths Olympiad. This is the next level of RMO. I will give the separate video for such kind of exam. Very reputed exam INMO. RMO itself is something little over JEE Advanced, the level of RMO. So INMO, you can just think about that, what could be the level. It has been asked in JEE Advanced also, because earlier the level has improved to a great extent. And I doubt, okay fine, you can expect this in CAT also. You can expect this in CAT kind of exam. A very good question. So let us discuss this. There will be quite a lot of learning in this question also. So root x plus, what is the step which we need to follow? The way is very common, that we need to isolate one radical and then square it out or cube it out and get the answer. So let us follow that approach. So suppose I am just giving this here and the rest here. So it is cube root of 2x minus 6 shifted and plus 2. When square it out, so it is x plus 1 is equal to squaring this. So I am just doing it here. So squaring and squaring. And see, when you square it out, it will be 2x minus 6, fine, and then to the power 2 by 3 and all that. So it's a mess. It will be a mess. So what we can do, can I just isolate this? So if I isolate this, cube root of 2x minus 6 to be at a positive side, and here it will be x plus 1 and then minus 2. And then I will cube it out, because I need to make it free from the cube root. So it will be 2x minus 6 and cube of this. That is x plus 1 minus 2 whole cube. Isn't it a mess again? Because it is a minus b whole cube identity. And when you go for a cube, so you will get the x plus 1 power 3 by 2. So ultimately you are going to get 3 by 2 again. So I think both are mess. So student leave this question. Now, I have seen student left this question at this juncture itself. But I personally believe the most powerful tool mathematics has ever given us is the power of substitution. Is the power of substitution. You applied those power of substitution in your calculus, in trigonometry, and so many places. So I will apply that power of substitution in this particular question. So what I am going to do here is I am putting x plus 1 as a and 2x minus 6 as b. In fact, I will put this as a and this as b. Let us work on that, because of that, what will happen? I will directly get one relation, a minus b is equal to 2. So that is something helpful for me. Now somehow just think over it, that if I got a plus b value, so I can solve those two and get the value of a and b, and then a and b are in terms of x, so we will get the value of x. It is as simple as that. But the fight is to get a plus b. Check out how we can do. So I am squaring this, so x plus 1 is a square, and I am cubing this, so it is 2x minus 6 is equal to b cube. So x will be equal to a square minus 1, and I am just forming together. So 2x is equal to b cube plus 6. 2x is equal to, so x will be equal to this. So equating the two. So it is a square minus, because both are x only. So a square minus 1 is equal to b cube plus 6 upon 2. Cross it. So I am going to get something like 2a square minus 2 is equal to b cube plus 6. So something like 2a square minus b cube is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. Fine. And stuck. Okay, think. Fine. I can do a is equal to b plus 2. I can do a is equal to b plus 2 here. So let me just talk about a is equal to b plus 2. So 2 times in place of a, b plus 2 square minus b cube is equal to 8. So everything is in b. Let me just try it here. So it will give me 2 times b square plus 4b plus 4 minus b cube is equal to 8. So let me just work it out. On this. So it will be I'm just changing the sign. So b cube positive I'm making by shifting it to the other side. It is 2b square, so other side it is minus 2b square. Then it is plus 8b, other side it will be minus 8b. It is plus 8 and it gets cancelled. So I'm getting something like this. Cool, very cool. Very cool. So b cube minus 2b square minus 8b. So b taken common, so it is b square minus 2b minus 8, and it's a cakewalk. So b times it is b minus 2 and b plus 4. B minus 4 and b plus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So you can just make it like b square minus 4b plus 2b, and it will be b minus 4 and b plus 2. Fine, so I got it like this. See, the question which was considered to be or assumed to be very, very tough can be sorted out by just having some wacky approach. So wacky approach here is substitution. Now it becomes so simple. It becomes so simple. So this exam they want to just test your intelligence. What you can think in such kind of situation. That is the main motive of this kind of exam. Fine. So here we got like this. So in the end, what I am going to get here is b is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 4. Fine. Now since b is directly related with x, so I am not interested to get the value of a. That is of no use. So what will happen? B value in terms of x is this. So basically what I can do? Yeah, I will use this relation. Fine, for putting the values of b. So first b is equal to 0, so that will give me x is equal to 3. Fine, it is 0, so minus 6 goes to the other side, so 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Second, if I put b is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 cube is minus 8, and this is plus 6, 6 minus 8 is minus 2, so 2x is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to minus 1. Then b is equal to 4, if I put it over here, so this is 4 cube is 64, 64 plus 6. Is 70, 2x is equal to 70, x is equal to 35. Fine. One more point over here is the student as a habit they calculate the value of a, but I just keep that straight because I don't require it. I don't require it. Even though I have taken a minus b and all those steps, no, not at all required. I got directly the value. Fine. But always remember when you are getting such kind of question, just cross check because see, you converted this into a 2-minute question. Which was supposed to be a havoc, you converted into 2-minute question. You have enough time. So just put on the various values. So if I put x is equal to 3, so it is just to confirm it. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 means under root 4 is 2. X is equal to 3 gives it 0, so 2 and 2. So this is my first solution. X is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1, so this becomes 0, this becomes 0, x is equal to minus 1. So it will be minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, and yes, we have cube root of minus 8. It is minus 2. It is minus 2. We know this. Square root is not possible, it becomes complex, but cube root is possible. So minus 2 and outside minus plus, so it's 2. So 2. So this is also possible solution. X is equal to 35. 35 plus 1, 36. Under root 36 is 6, and 35 to the 70 minus 6, 64, cube root is 4. So yes, all the three answers are correct. Question in JEE Advanced could be that how many real solution you will get, or in fact to be precise they can ask how many integer solution, and that could not necessarily be the multiple choice question, it could be integer based question because you are getting 3 integer solutions. So in JEE Advanced 0, 3. The answer you can write down. In JEE Mains, especially in the upcoming session, they have 5 integer type questions, so you can get answer to be 3. Fine. So I'm just repeating it again. I use the thumb rule here is the power of substitution. A question which seems to be very, very dangerous question. We get scared looking at the exam name also has become so simple by using substitution. Fine. So just substitute this and take the value. Initially I also thought that I will get so many equations. I told you guys that I will require a plus b value and then we can solve it, but it becomes so easy. It becomes so easy. It all depends on you how you work it out. Fine. I think this is enough. I don't think I need to discuss it again. X values we got in terms of a and b. We equate the two. We got a and b relation. Replace a from b. Fine, and then just solve it for one of the variable, either A or B. Here we have preferred the B, so we got the values of B. Make a note that don't stop here, just confirm it. Just confirm. Fine. Hope this is fine. Thank you.